Have you received both EI and CERB together in your bank account, or have you applied EI before and now you're getting $2,000 before applying to CERB? For more questions related to EI and CERB, please watch this video till the end. Welcome back guys, my name is Sagar and you're watching Toronto for All. First of all, thank you all for supporting my channel, subscribing my channel. So today is April 9th and today is a day for Q3 subset people. For example, October, November, December, they can apply for CERB benefits today. So there is lots of confusion after these benefits was announced. Yesterday I received a call from my friend and he told me he received $2,000 as CERB benefits into his bank account. And yesterday was the day for Q3 people to apply for it, and he told me as well like he has not applied for it. So how come he received this money? So after asking few more questions, he told me he have applied for EI last week and he received money yesterday, which is $2,000, but he should have been received $500 as a EI benefit. So there is a high possibility that his EI benefits have been converted into CERB benefits. So there is one more issue which I read online and saw into my comments as well. People are getting $4,000, like $2,000 twice. So how it is possible? So this means they have received the advance payment for next month as well. It is possible. Likewise, federal government has paid you money from April 15th to May 15th. That means you have received next month payment into your bank account. So the extra money which you have received is for 8 weeks rather 4 weeks. And we have to make one note as well. Federal government clearly stated that up to $8,000 will be given to people in the period of 4 months or 16 weeks. So guys, if you have more money, so please spend it wisely because this money is taxable. As I told you in my previous videos as well, this is a taxable amount. That means we have file as income next year when we file our taxes. So around about $400 for every $2,000. So guys, if you have any more questions, please put them into the comment section down below. And congratulations to those who have received the money. Please share this video to the people who is not aware of the benefits and their rules. Please share it to them and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.